Having the best tasting beverage in the world can only get you so far if you can't manage your business finances. And one of the biggest pieces of that is cost of goods sold, or COGS. Your COGS will be unique to your business, but understanding the basics on how to manage them will make your business more successful. There are three main areas: raw materials or ingredients, manufacturing expenses, and logistics. When you're dealing with raw materials or the ingredients that make up your beverage, some of the common problems you'll have are expiration or warehousing conditions, buying in economies of scale, and materials you need versus what your actual yield will be in production. Potential solutions to that are buying in larger quantities, which is not always an option for entrepreneurs, forecasting your own needs so you can hedge against some of the costs that you might incur later on, and contracting out your prices. You'll incur some of the same expenses while manufacturing and encounter some of the same problems and potential solutions. Economies of scale will play a part in your manufacturing process. You're gonna have to decide if you're gonna go with a larger contract manufacturer and lay down more finished cases at a higher capital cost, or work with a smaller contract packer who will allow smaller production sizes at a higher cost of goods sold. Some of the solutions to that include forecasting growth as well. If you can potentially forecast out purchase orders or sales needs, you know how fast you can turn inventory and you won't be left with finished goods sitting in the warehouse for long. For logistics, or the freight associated with moving your raw materials and finished product, some of the problems you could potentially encounter are the distance and cost it takes to move materials to certain contract packers depending on their location across the US or abroad, the distance from your contract packer to your own warehousing or potentially to distributors, and the need for your beverage to stay in temperature-controlled storage or, depending on the area, refrigerated storage. Some of the solutions to that are looking for contract manufacturers or manufacturers that are closer to those distribution or warehousing points. The key is to know your product, the process, and your customers. The better you understand those points, the easier it'll be for you to manage your own costs.